Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, where we bring you expert insights into the world of structured cabling, fiber optics, and advanced communication systems that power modern businesses and smart homes. Today, we're diving into an important topic: the safety of fiber optic cables in high-risk areas, such as industrial zones, hospitals, and high-security facilities. Unlike traditional copper cables, fiber optic cables transmit data using light instead of electricity, which makes them inherently safer in high-risk environments. Because they do not conduct electricity, fiber optic systems eliminate the risk of sparks, short circuits, or electrical fires, an essential feature for areas where flammable materials, gases, or sensitive electronic systems are present. Another major safety advantage is immunity to electromagnetic interference. In facilities filled with heavy machinery, medical equipment, or large power systems, interference can disrupt communication. Fiber optics remain unaffected, ensuring secure and stable data transmission even under extreme conditions. In high-risk or outdoor areas, armored fiber cables provide an extra layer of physical protection. These cables are built to withstand moisture, rodents, vibration, and even chemical exposure, ensuring uninterrupted performance and long service life. At Comm Systems, we design and install these systems with safety and compliance at the forefront, adhering to industry standards like NEC, OSHA, and NFPA codes, and following best practices for secure routing, grounding, and labeling. From data centers and hospitals to transportation networks and high-rise buildings, our fiber optic solutions deliver peace of mind, combining high-speed connectivity with maximum safety and durability. Thank you for watching this episode on the safety of fiber optic cables in high-risk areas. If you found this information helpful, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more professional insights from Comm Systems. For more information, visit us at www.dvcsny.com or call us at 888-501-5885.